So if you want to create your hot wallet, watch this video to the end. The first thing you have to do is to go to Play Store and go and download this app. Download this app from Play Store, right? If you are using Apple Store, head over to your Apple Store and download it. All right. Then after that, you click on it. It will take you to the page. You wait for it to load. Now it has opened. You now click on create wallet. You click on that. Now these are the various wallet that it has. It has two types of wallet supported in the app. We have the MPC wallet and the standard wallet. All right. Now I created a video on my previous video. I discussed more about the standard wallet, the difference between the standard wallet and the MPC wallet. So if you want to have a detailed guide or know what the differences are and know which one to choose, you have to go and watch my previous video about it. But for the sake of this video, I'll just click on the standard wallet and create from there. You click on the standard wallet. It will generate your passphrase. Now these are your passphrase that you use. These are your passphrase. Ensure that you write down this passphrase and keep in a safe place, okay? Do not share this passphrase to anybody, because if you do, that person is going to have access to your wallet and steal your funds, okay? So you write them and keep it safe, all right? And it's even not advisable to store your passphrase in your phone, because there are some hackers that can easily hack into your phone, or maybe you can mistakenly click into a phishing site and then an app will be installed that can steal your passphrase. So it's not always advisable for you to save your passphrase in your phone. Just write them down, okay, for security reasons. Now let's continue. So I'll click on this copy, all right? I'll click on that. It has copied. After copying, you can see that it showed copied. Then you click on your continue. You click on continue. After that, you select a name for yourself, okay? Select a name that nobody has used, all right? You can select STG. Now, if you select any name and you notice that this one doesn't show green or doesn't get colored, note that this nickname here is not existing. So you have to select a name that someone hasn't used, all right? So you have to select any name, or let's say you can add numbers to it, 5, 6, 7. You can see that name is already taken. So I want to add another name to it. Name is already taken as well. So you ensure you select a name that nobody has taken. Okay. Now you can see that it has turned colored, which means nobody has taken this name. Okay. So you now click on continue. Now, congratulations, your wallet has been created. Now, this is your wallet. All right. This is your wallet, and you can deposit from here. You can bridge from here. In my next video, I'll be giving you a detailed guide on what all these features is all about. Now, if you are not in this channel, kindly ensure you like and subscribe to this channel and turn your notification button so that whenever I drop videos, you will get them on time. Now, this is how to create a wallet. I've just created a wallet for you, all right? I've just created a wallet for you. Now, you can add tokens from here. You can add the tokens from here. Add your tokens. You can add any chain of your choice. All right. So that is how you go about this. Kindly ensure you like and subscribe to this channel if you are new, and see you in the next video.